on Aussie dollar, I think the GDP print is just highlighting the fact that the recovery is going to take a while. The same thing that the RBA has been highlighting actually, that although the contraction was less severe than previously expected, there would be bumps around the recovery path. And what the RBA has been highlighting is, unemployment rate, they expect it to come down, but is still, after peaking at 10%, they expect unemployment rate to come down to around 7% by in a couple of years' time. So we are not going back to the very tight economy that we were pre-COVID. Same thing on inflation. RBA is forecasting inflation to be around 1 to 1.5% 2 years from now. So the economic slack will take a long time to clear through. And what that means is that the RBA is going to maintain very easy policy for foreseeable future. Yesterday in the meeting, actually, the RBA hinted that they may be looking at more monetary easing measures, which may weigh on the Aussie dollar, we believe.
By how much? I mean, I understand you are looking at a bearish call for both Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar. Can you give us some limits that you're watching to the downside?
So frankly, we are more bearish on the Aussie dollar versus Kiwi dollar. And the reason is that the RBNZ has already done a lot of easing. We believe that it will be increasingly hard for the RBNZ to deliver incremental dovishness from here. In contrast, the RBA has eased, but they have kind of lagged more aggressive central banks in G10 like the Fed and the RBNZ. That is best seen in the yield curve, Aussie dollar yield curve, which is among the steepest in G10 space. So that's where we believe that if the RBA deploys quantitative easing more aggressively, where they buy the long-dated bonds, then that can push long-term Aussie yields lower, and that can weigh on the Aussie dollar. So to be clear, we are bearish on the US dollar itself, so that's why we are not looking for downside on Aussie US cross, but we are short Aussie dollar versus Kiwi dollar in our FX trading portfolio.